Hi friends, it's Miss Rachel with the Otago Prattville Public Library, and today we are making our craft for March 16th. So we're going to take out our kit, and you'll also need a glue stick, and we're going to take out all these little pieces of paper and our big old rainbow, and you should have a cloud or two in your package that you can add to the end of your rainbow. And we're going to take our pieces of crepe paper here and tear or cut them up and put them on our rainbow. So I'm going to start with my pink, and I'm going to use my glue to put a little bit of pink down at a time. So I'm going to do a strip right there and then tear it off. And then do another strip right here. Again, if you prefer, you can use scissors. Try not to cover up your holes too much because you can add a string to it from home if you'd like, and then you can hang your rainbow up as a door hanging creation or a fridge decoration, all sorts of options. We're gonna put my pink all over that top row, but you can do them in whatever order you'd like. And then I'm gonna have some of my pink trailing off at the bottom here to make it like the rainbow is spilling over, and it's got kind of a banner effect, so that's very fun. And now we'll do the same thing with this middle stripe with our purple. Glue a little bit on, tear it and adjust so that you can fit it in on the curve. And continue this pattern until your whole rainbow is filled in with each of the colors. And leaving a tail at the end of one end of the rainbow. So your rainbow can spread and flutter its joy and beautiful colors all around. Now I'm going to do my blue. It's okay if when you tear it, it doesn't tear perfectly straight. You can always break off the little bits that are left over, or you can just glue them down as well. Either one is a-okay. We are just having fun creating today and making our rainbow creation. And maybe, if we're super lucky, we'll catch a leprechaun. This rainbow. Maybe he'll find a pot of gold at the end. We'll have to wait and see. Okay, so I've got my colors on and they're dripping down nicely. And then the final touch is just to take our cloud and glue that onto the end where the rainbow stops right at the end. So the short end of the rainbow without this extra length is where we're going to put our cloud. So I put a little bit of glue on there and just press it down, maybe count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and voila! We have our beautiful rainbow craft. Thank you all so much for creating with me today, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye!